Look how good they look. Because why? They've been in water in the fridge and they look brand new. Now you take them, pull one out, and you go where they break. Supposedly you throw this out, or you can shave them and use the whole thing. If you don't want to snap them, you could do this. Cut off the very end, wash them, rinse them in water, and then just peel that part. Side off. Now you can go back in and do more. You can get rid of this part and then shave more. Now you Okay, so after you have shaved the asparagus with a peeler, and let me show you this peeler. It has a ziggy-zaggy edge. It does great peeling. It's a cheapy weepy from Walmart, and I approve. And if you've never had this before, this is a delicious. Some pieces are going to be bigger. You can't shave them, and that's okay. But this is going to be a salad for two. Get every bit. A little olive oil and salt on there. I'm going to put more cheese on top. Just a little drizzle. A little bit of salt. I like this salt. And I like this olive oil. This is some delicious parm from Whole Foods. So, ready? You could go down the side, see, but that's what you want. Big old slices like that. Because then you're going to get big slices of parm and big slices of asparagus. 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 Look how pretty is that. Ta-da! Serve it. That was only, I don't know, maybe 5 really big asparagus. Delicious salad. Enjoy.